This is baby's first bath? No.
Like
the first bath was really bad. This one is good. Watch out, you're spilling.
Baby likes the smaller pill.
Not the
She
big
feel
one.
like she got more control, so I put her in here. Hey, baby.
That's weird.
Oh, you coming out of it.
That's cute. Remember this, Joy.
You gotta wash her back now.
Hold her necky. Yep. She is funny. I see you. She is cute with the eyes open. You like that, baby?
Put your hand over the rail.
You're a star. I got her eyes. She got some pretty eyes. Big, brown.
Hey, boo boo. Hey.
She looks so funny in this. Look at Daddy.
See something? Look at the camera. When you become a leading supporting actress, you gotta look at the camera. There you go.
She's a star.
There you go.
A bright, shining star.
See?
Wave. Wave. I can't wait till she can get to those stages. We'll have too much fun, man. I know we will. She'll be like, ah.
You're naked, baby. You're naked.
She's like, yes, I like to sit in here. She's a true female now. 'Cause, you know, females love their bath. Really than you. I was getting worried. I'm like, are you sure you're a female? No.
Now you're chilling.
Females do love their bath.
So cute. Your feet. Look at the feet.
Got some big feet. Look at those feet.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull your feet up in there.
She wasn't liking it. She looks amazing. That's a good picture.
Nah, not like a stinky baby. Can't have that.
Yep, true female.
Right.
Hey.